Hi, I'm Murray, also known as Creative Man here on Fiverr. In this gig, I'll run an Instagram ad campaign for engagement. Would you like to significantly increase the visibility of your Instagram posts? I can link your Instagram account to my ad account and run ads to your posts for you. And for no extra cost, I can spread the ad budget across up to 10 of your most recent Instagram posts. You may have seen my gig for growing Facebook business pages. I can help you with that and more than 30 other Fiverr gig services as well. Please note that Facebook Ads Manager doesn't have a specific ad objective for Instagram followers, but with consistent Instagram ad campaigns, targeted new followers will begin to discover your brand. Please note, I cannot force people to like and comment on your posts, but I can target your post to the right audience, making it more likely they will engage. I can even target top tier countries like USA and your specific niche. The way I measure results is by the total number of post engagements I get on your campaign. Please note that post engagements do not mean post likes, but is made up of likes, comments, and views, etc. Results vary niche to niche. For example, if 2 clients ordered a minimum of 10,000 post engagements each, the outcome would be very different due to the 2 clients being in different niches and having different kinds of posts. I can run Instagram ads to fit your budget from 1,000 post engagements up to unlimited size. Order today.